Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pondok Abang. Guys, today's setting is a bit different guys. I'm inside my car driving. I just left my office. So for those of you who are wondering where actually Pondok Abang is located at, so guys, we are located at 15 Jalan Tepong in a building called Jurong Food Hub. Okay guys, so it might sound like, wow, where is this place? It sounds so far. Actually no guys, it's very nearby to Taman Jurong. Okay, and it's accessible lah through this AYE or Jalan Buroh Highway. PIE is a bit further. We have to go through this Taman Jurong and Jurong West lah to access PIE. And our building is right beside Jurong Fishery Port Road. Okay, where all the fisheries that comes to Singapore from the western side will all be from Jurong Fishery Port lah. So this building was actually constructed back in 2008. And if you guys are also wondering how we get our name Pondok Abang, is because the part one is that people used to call my father Abang Rojak in the 80s when he was selling rojak at Jurong West. And you know, that name got stuck lah. And when we went to Clementi, we didn't sell rojak because there is already brother and son, brother rojak within our shop also. So we sold mi rebus, mi soto, and our famous nasi lemak pandan lah. And my dad named the shop Abang Muslim Food. And of course, throughout the years since 1990 onwards, when we were in Clementi, everyone called him Abang also. And back in 2006, 2007, when we opened up our own like a family restaurant at Changi Village, we wanted to have like a kampung vibe, you know, by the sea kind of vibe. So my dad renamed the company to Pondok Abang, right? Unfortunately or fortunately, you know, it was a bit too far for us to commute daily from Clementi, where our two outlets are, to Changi. And there came a opportunity for us to purchase our factory back in 2008. So we sold that coffee shop, we bought the factory. So the intention was to actually use the factory as a central kitchen to supply to our own outlets lah, which are nearby in Clementi. Then we suddenly realized, we can also supply to other people's outlet. So that's where Pondok Abang started to innovate lah, creating products to supply to other people's outlet. Initially we wanted to supply cooked food, but you know, everyone was saying they have got their own recipes. You know, why should I buy from you? I can cook myself, I have sufficient manpower, right? So then Alhamdulillah, through feedback, support from friends and our partners, we developed our first product, which is paru berempah. And Alhamdulillah, we are currently the largest beef lung manufacturer in Singapore, and it's widely distributed. Okay guys, and if you haven't yet tried, you can go to www.pondokabang.com to try, and you can watch some videos which I just made recently in Geylang. It is a hack guys for you to buy the cheapest Pondok Abang beef lung in Singapore. Okay guys, guarantee you that. Okay. Yeah, then afterwards we wanted to innovate further. We wanted to do paste. Then we realized that we cannot compete with paste imported from Malaysia because of the cost. Then we decided to add on meat to the paste. Then voila, it became ready to eat. So Alhamdulillah, we are also the pioneers, because back in 2012 you cannot find ready to eat Malay dishes guys. Okay, we were the pioneers in developing that in Singapore. We created ready to eat beef rendang, ready to eat mata rendang, ready to eat ayam masak merah, ayam rendang. And now we have a lot guys. We have sambal goreng pengantin, we have ayam lemak cili padi, and we also recently developed a meal ready to eat, which means it comes with rice, bergedil and a dish. And I'm giving you guys a sneak peek. We are going to release another 3 more new MREs soon, so stay tuned. And it's something exciting for us lah. So yeah guys, we have been in this building for a long time, since 2008. It's already 2025 now. We got a few more years balance. Unfortunately, the government isn't going to extend the land lease, so it's quite sad. So we have made some preparations for the future lah, on how we are going to operate in Singapore and also internationally, globally, regionally, alright, to support our business. And back in 2021 also, we decided to expand the butchery department, where we actually incorporated a new company called Straits Butchering Company, and it has a capacity to process 6 tons of meat, guys, in a shift, and one shift is 12 hours. Okay, ni bukan cakap je, because this one is tried and tested. Okay guys, 6 tons in 12 hours. But of course it depends on how you want us to cut it. If you want us to cut it this small, obviously we cannot cut 6 tons lah. But if you want to cut like Jenny size, you know, about 2 inch, guarantee you 6 tons. Alright. So this Straits Butchery's focus is to support Pondok Abang's growth, to assist with the butchering, and also to support Pondok Abang's partners whom, you know, do not have any processing facility. So they will send in their meat to Straits Butchering Company, and they will give us their specs on how to process. We will process it for them. What's the plus point is that we uphold halal integrity. We are also halal certified and Muslim certified. So guys, that's the only thing that I'm thinking of sharing with you guys. And yeah, once in a while I'm thinking of making more of these kind of videos to share a bit more about us, Pondok Abang, and our sister companies. Because usually people look into the contents that we create, people might think that, you know, this is not the real, you know, Pondok Abang, the way we talk, right? Macamnya, you know, content that is being, apa tu, macam nak cakap being directed kan. But honestly guys, usually the videos that we create are also all impromptu, you know. Kadang-kadang bila I kat satu tempat, then I like, sekali ilham masuk, why not we do this kind of videos dengan semangat pun tengah ada kan. So kita orang bikin lah. So majority of times is like that. Sometimes for the past few days we've been thinking of wanting to do this content, that content, then we'll do lah. But ni punya content setakat yang kita share sikit kan, ngomong-ngomong kan, santai-santai sambil membawa kereta. Fokus lah, jangan takut I tetap fokus bawa kereta juga. So insyaAllah guys, I berdoa untuk you all semua sihat walafiat. Semoga kami semua dapat manfaat bulan Syakban, and hopefully dapat bertemu bulan Ramadan dalam keadaan apa tu nama dia, bersemangat untuk capitalize dalam bulan-bulan yang mulia ni semua ni lah. Dapatnya enjoy dalam berpuasa, dalamnya nak membuka puasa bersama keluarga lagi. Because majority of time kita orang pun makan pun sometimes pun tak dengan keluarga kan. So Ramadan ni usually we spend more time with our family, especially in the morning untuk sahur and buka. So semoga kamu semua sihat walafiat dan menjadi orang yang kaya dan berjaya di dunia dan di akhirat. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.